In this video, I'll show you how you can fix GeForce Experience or the new Nvidia app cannot optimize games. Now the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up Task Manager. In here go to Details and sort by the name, then press N. Then what you want to do is close down anything Nvidia related. So choose it in Task, and Task, and Task. And you want to do that with all of your Nvidia stuff. Once you've done that and you make sure it's closed down, you want to come here and search for percentage, local, app, data, percentage, and press enter. This should bring up this folder, and you want to press anywhere and press N, and then look for Nvidia Corporation. Open it up, and what you want to do is, if you're using GeForce Experience, you want to open up that one. If you're using the Nvidia app, like this one, then you want to open up Nvidia app. It's the same step that you're going to do in each one, so just open up the one you have. In this case, let's use GeForce Experience. You want to find the Ceph cache folder and you want to delete that one. Now, if you're using Nvidia app, you want to open up Nvidia app and delete Ceph cache from in here. Once you've deleted it, you want to right click on your recycle bin and empty it and restart your PC. Now this should hopefully fix the issue. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.